Fluent Listening, Episode 5, At the Doctor's Office. Characters: Emma, patient; receptionist, front desk staff; Dr. Thomas, doctor. Welcome to Fluent Listening, your podcast for learning real English conversations. Today's episode is At the Doctor's Office. Let's join Emma as she visits a clinic for a health checkup. Scene 1, at the reception desk.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Thomas at 9:30.
Okay, what's your name?
Emma Johnson.
Yes, I see it here. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
Ms. Johnson, the doctor is ready now. Room number 2.
Thank you.
Scene 2, inside the doctor's office.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I don't feel very well, doctor.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat and a cough. I also feel very tired.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. I feel hot and cold.
Okay, let me check your temperature and listen to your breathing. Your temperature is 38.2 degrees Celsius. That's a mild fever. Take a deep breath, and again.
Okay.
It sounds like you have a cold, or maybe the flu.
Oh no. What should I do?
You should rest, drink warm fluids, and take this medicine for 3 days.
Can I go to work?
No, stay home for 2 days and rest. You can go back when you feel better.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. I'll send the prescription to the front desk.
Scene 3, back at the reception.
Hi again, Emma. The doctor sent your prescription.
Thank you. Where can I get the medicine?
You can pick it up at the pharmacy next door.
Great. Can I pay now?
Yes, your visit today is $40.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards. Here is your receipt. Get well soon.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks for listening to Fluent Listening, Episode 5, At the Doctor's Office. Practice this conversation to learn useful vocabulary for health and medical visits. See you in the next